Hey guys, my name's Carl and I just received a package from Hunter Watersports. Let's see what I got. This time I've ordered an FPV POWER Hub. So basically what a POWER Hub is, we have one power come in, right, and then we can have 6 accessories run off the one thing rather than have to run a Y join from one battery to 6 items. What else comes in the kit? We get the hub itself. It comes with a fob to control 4 channels. It comes with 6 pigtails and 6 spare 3 amp fuses. All the connections have their waterproof caps provided. I've also ordered a sail post mount to mount this to my power hub. So basic principle to the hub is we have power coming. We have 2 channels being channel 1 and 2 are live always. Right, so these are generally good for, say, your sounder and your power fob. We then have 4 channels that are controlled by your fob, being A, B, C and D. Generally these are really good for lights, other accessories like a USB port, things like that. Let's install it. The installation is pretty easy. First you're going to start with your batteries. Right, I currently run 2 17.5 amp hour batteries, and I run these into a FPV Y joint. This is my FPV Y joint. Pretty much I'll connect my batteries. It then runs a 6-foot FPV 6-foot extension to the bow. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install my sail post mount onto the back of my power hub before I put it into the kayak. That's as simple as lining up some holes, placing some stainless screws in, and zipping them up with the drill. Simple. Okay, so basically what you can see here is I've got my power from the rear. I've labelled it as power, so that's coming from my FPV batteries as I just showed you. Right, on this side I've got my orb, my deck lights rear, my deck lights front, and I've got my sounder. And I like to run my sounder through a 12 volt regulator, just because I can get a little bit extra juice out of the battery. Okay, so simple. This will click on to the mast like that. I'll take my power. I undo the cap for the power, which is the center one on the top center. Right, little waterproof cover, take that off, and we connect it up like so. That's as simple as connecting the power. That's pretty much done. Right, from here, you pick which ones you want to go where. So I like my orb going on my first one. So A, take my orb, screw it in. Deck lights front will go on B. Deck lights rear will go on C. And I'll put my sounder through the regulator, which I'll probably zip tie up here, on 1. That's it. That's as simple as connecting a FPV power hub. Okay, so I didn't show you how to solder these pigtails. I've done it before in one of my previous videos. I'll put the link above if you want to check that out. Okay guys, that wraps up the installation. All that's left now is to test that everything works by taking your fob and turning everything on. I'm happy with that. Everything turned on without hassle. That wraps up this video. If you'd like to see some more, please comment them in the comments. Please like the video and see you out on the water.